Hey everyone! If you're trying to decide between the Infinix Note 60 Ultra 5G and the Note 60 Pro 5G, here's a quick comparison to help you choose the right one. Starting with performance, both phones offer smooth everyday usage and solid 5G connectivity, making them great for social media, gaming, and multitasking. However, the Note 60 Ultra 5G takes things a step further with more premium features and a slightly more powerful overall experience. When it comes to the display, both devices deliver vibrant visuals, but the Ultra model usually offers a more refined viewing experience with better brightness and responsiveness. Camera performance is another area where the Ultra has an advantage. You'll get improved image processing and better results in challenging lighting conditions compared to the Pro version. Battery life is excellent on both phones, easily lasting a full day, but charging speeds and extra features may favor the Ultra. So, which one should you buy? If you want the best features and don't mind spending more, go for the Note 60 Ultra 5G. But if you're looking for great value, the Note 60 Pro 5G is still an excellent choice.